Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to allow a user for remote access in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To allow a user for remote access in Windows 10 computer, right click on Start menu, click on System. In System Settings, click on Advanced System Setting. In the System Property, you will find Remote tab. Click on Remote tab, and here you will find Remote Desktop, and by default don't allow remote connection to this computer is selected. Just select the next option, allow remote connection to this computer, and also select allow connection only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication, and it's recommended. And here you will find a button select users. Click on select users, and here you will find a button add. Click on add button. Now type the username. I'm typing the username, and then click on check name. And look, the username is selected. Now click on OK. A user is selected for remote access in my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.